Eventually, you will want to retire out of your business. You don't want to be running the day-to-day operations of the business forever. Accounting will show you your business's cash flow and profitability so you can set goals and track progress toward meaningful metrics that can help you get out of the business. You can set revenue, profit, and equity goals that will give you targets to aim for so that when you hit those targets, you can then make big decisions about hiring your replacement, about selling your equity in the company, maybe about just retiring, period. If you want to build a business to sell, the buyers will want to see solid financial statements. If you can show investors and potential buyers a track record of not just success, but well-documented success, it'll be much less difficult to convince them of the value of your business and convince them to buy it.